To enter a new customer account into Stansoft, select on Accounts Receivable, Customer Master Maintenance, select Add. If it's an individual, you can enter the last name and first name, otherwise enter the company name. Address. And the zip or postal code, if you know it, you can enter it, otherwise Control F will allow you to search. And then select the correct one from the list. Enter a phone number and a second phone number if you wish. Press Escape. Will bring you to the second screen. Account status, the options are listed below. OI is for open item. OH, open item on hold. BF is balance forward. BH is balance forward on hold. And CL is a closed account. Normally you'll use OI for open item, which means it'll track each invoice rather than lumping them all together, which is what a balance forward account does. So if you have customers paying by invoice, open item is generally the best one to select. Normal pricing level will be 0, and this comes from the pricing formula maintenance. If you have discounts for different quantity breaks and such, you could set that up over there, and then you would put the pricing level here. Sale terms, if you know the code, you can type it in, or Control F, pressing enter will bring up all the different codes that are set up. We'll select net 30 for this, put their credit line that you've extended to them. Salesman, Control F will find that. Pressing enter on a date will default to today's date, otherwise you can enter a date. And the statement cycle, Control F, enter, shows we have 3 set up, 0 for no statement, 1 balance forward, 2 open item. Since we're not going to send this customer statement, but rather just send them invoices, we'll select 0, so a statement will not be generated for them. Press Escape for the next screen. Finance charge code is 18 for 18% annually. Invoice delivery, we will select P for print. You'll notice at the bottom you can select P for print, M for email, or B for both. File type, if you were to email it, if we go back up here and select, we'll select B for both. And then the file type, you can either do P for PDF or T for text. We'll do PDF. And here you would enter their customer email address. Customer class, Control F if you don't know what codes are set up, pressing enter. And you can use the arrow keys, scroll down to find the customer type that they are. And we'll select commercial. And a grace period for the finance charge if you wanted to add any extra grace period before that was charged. Press Escape to select into the next screen. And this screen will determine how their taxes are calculated. And the tax use groups are defined in tax use group maintenance. So Control F here, then pressing enter will give a list of all your tax use groups that are set up. And we'll make this customer taxable. Tax class is tax. Pressing escape will bring you down into the taxes that will be charged. So there will be sales tax charged on this customer for their products. Select escape to save that, which brings us to the class overrides for any of the products. This pertains to the price level of 0 that we set up earlier as a default. If you had any overrides for certain products where they're priced differently, those will be set up here. If not, press escape and escape again, and then select A or scroll over to accept, and that account has been created.